It's almost the 4th of July. I'm excited. I read where someone ate 69 hot dogs in 10 minutes. I'm doing these pillow covers. They call them pillow tops. I started with some 70, I have 3 of them to show you, 70% off fabric at Joann's. They have a bin next to the cutting counter, and you watch that, they mark them, they keep marking them down. And so I started with that plaid fabric, and then I had a few old jeans from my grandson I used for the center, and I used fabric glue for those, which we actually ironed it on. You put it under and iron it. And then this is from a t-shirt I had. I love the t-shirt, but I was wearing it out, so it looks like the 70s. My brothers played guitars, and one of my daughters, so I just loved it. So I cut it, and I also use embroidery thread to stitch around the edges. And by upcycling, which is what I'm doing here, people love to give you things if you're upcycling. Things that they don't want to throw away, they're too nice to throw away, but they have them and they're in their way, they don't need them. So when you let people know, I let people know I'm upcycling, they started bringing me jeans and jean skirts, and it's really a neat thing to do. And this one is an open pocket.